Hey, what's going on, guys? In my previous video I have shown you guys about values come from forms. Okay, now here what we are going to see is we are going to look at a radio button and also checkboxes. Now first of all, let's go and see the radio button. Let's say you wanna see whether the user is a male or female, so you want to give an option. To do that, we put something called radio button. Now let's see how to do that. First I break this thing, br backslash close this one, and then here I'm going to type male and female, male and then female. Okay, now to select the male, we put a thing called radio button. That one will be created like input type is equal to radio, and then name is equal to sex, and then value is equal to male. Okay, male, and close this one. Now when you refresh this one, you can see here we have a option called male, but we have to do the same thing for female as well. To do that, I copy this one right here and then paste it right here. Okay, paste it right here, but every time you type these things, you have to change the value. It cannot be the same. Yeah, everything else can be the same, type can be the same, name can be the same, but value has to be different all the time. So here I put female. Now you can see we can select one or the other. We cannot select both. Okay, that's what radio button. Now let's say you have something else. Now for gender, you only can choose one because you cannot be a male and female at the same time here. But let's say you want to buy something, you want to select multiple items, you want to buy multiple items at the same time, like you want to be able to check this one and this one at the same time. How to do that? That's what called checkboxes. Now to do that, again I go down, I break this thing, br backslash close this one. To do that thing, we are going to create the checkbox. To do that thing, first let's type a paragraph. In this paragraph I'm going to say select the foods that you would like to order. Select the foods that you would like to order. Okay, now order, and then let's close this one, backslash p. Now we typed our paragraph. Inside the paragraph I'm gonna create some bunch of food list. Let's say coffee is not a food, but I'm just typing. Okay, now let's say tuna, let's say muffin, let's say biscuit. Okay, biscuit. These are the food options. Now the next thing is we are gonna type the same thing as this one, copy paste it right here. Input type, here we have, before we have seen the radio button, here this one called checkbox. So I type checkbox right here, checkbox. Then name is not sex, food. Now value, I'm gonna give something like, let's say apple. Okay, apple. Now okay, now this is how we create a checkbox. Now you can, when I refresh, you can see I have one option and others don't have anything. So I had to do the same thing for others as well. Copy this one, copy this whole thing and paste it right here, paste it right here, paste it right here. For this one everything can be same. For the previous one, for the radio box, we cannot have the same value. We had to have male, we had to have female, but for this one I put apple for everything because it can be the same. Now you can see I can check this one, check this one, check this one, check this one at the same time, but for this one we can only select one at a time. Okay, that's the difference between radio and checkbox. That's how we do radio and checkbox using HTML and CSS. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.